Let's sort it out. Mastering laundry sorting in English. Hello language learners. Welcome to our video on English vocabulary for everyday activities. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of laundry, specifically focusing on sorting clothes. It's not just an important part of doing the laundry, it's also a fantastic way to enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's dive right in. Before we get to the heart of laundry sorting, let's understand what sorting means. Sorting is organizing items into groups based on shared characteristics. In the context of laundry, it usually means separating clothes based on color, fabric type, or cleaning instructions. The phrase, sorting clothes, can be used in sentences like, I am sorting the clothes before doing laundry. Now, let's build up your vocabulary around sorting clothes. When we sort laundry, we often split them into categories. 1. Lights. This category includes light-colored clothing like whites, pastels, and grays. An example sentence could be, I am separating the lights from the darks. 2. Darks. This includes darker clothes like blacks, navies, and deep purples. 3. Delicates. These are fragile items that need gentle washing, like silk or lace. You might say, I'm putting the delicates in a separate pile. 4. Heavies. This category includes heavy items like jeans or thick sweaters. 5. Whites. This is specifically for pure white clothes. Remember these categories when you're sorting your laundry. To talk about sorting, here are some useful phrases and sentences. I am sorting out my clothes into different piles. Make sure to separate the whites from the colored clothes. I divide my laundry into lights and darks. My delicates need to be washed separately. Use these phrases to practice speaking about the sorting process. When we sort clothes, we also do a lot of different actions. Here are some verbs you might use. Fold. To bend something, usually a piece of clothing, so that one part of it lies on the other part. Example, after drying, I fold my clothes. Hang. To put something in a position where it will stay, attached from above and not touching the ground. Example, I hang my shirts to prevent wrinkles. Separate. To remove something from a group, or to divide into parts. Example, I separate my socks from my shirts. And that's a wrap. Today we've learned about sorting clothes in English. By knowing these words and phrases, you can comfortably talk about your laundry routine and understand others when they talk about theirs. Remember to practice what you've learned today. Happy sorting, and until next time.